Welcome back, bike red riders and adventure seekers. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most exciting motorcycle comebacks of the decade, the 2026 Honda XR350R. For those who remember, the XR series was once the gold standard of dual sport and enduro bikes, blending Honda's legendary reliability with rugged off-road capability. Now, after years of silence, Honda is reviving the XR350R for a new generation of riders, and it promises to shake up the off-road and dual sport market like never before. The new XR350R is more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of Honda's commitment to adventure riding, designed for riders who demand performance both on dirt trails and on city streets. Let's break down everything you need to know about this beast, from design and technology, to performance, handling, and price. Design and styling, rugged yet modern. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Honda XR350R is its aggressive, rally-inspired design. Honda has carefully blended the heritage look of the original XR series with modern touches that make it stand out. Frame and bodywork. The XR350R features a lightweight steel aluminum hybrid frame for rigidity and durability. The frame is coated with a scratch-resistant finish, making it tough enough to handle rocky trails and harsh weather. Headlight and front fascia. A sharp LED headlight with integrated DRLs gives the bike a futuristic yet functional appearance. Seat and ergonomics. The flat, rally-style seat ensures comfort for long rides while offering mobility for aggressive off-road maneuvers. Fuel tank design. With a 14-liter tank, it balances capacity for long-distance rides with a slim profile to help maneuverability in technical terrain. Overall, the XR350R maintains that raw off-road look while embracing modern adventure bike aesthetics. Engine and performance. Power meets efficiency. The heart of the 2026 Honda XR350R is its all-new 349 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, DOHC engine. Power output. The engine produces around 36 horsepower and 30 Nm of torque, giving it the perfect balance between city usability and trailblazing performance. Fuel injection. Thanks to Honda's PGMFI system, the bike delivers smooth throttle response across the rev range, ensuring reliable starts in any condition. Cooling system. A liquid-cooled design paired with optimized radiators prevents overheating during extended trail rides. Transmission. A 6-speed gearbox has been fine-tuned for both highway cruising and low-end torque on dirt climbs. This makes the XR350R a true all-rounder, powerful enough for dirt jumps and agile enough for tight turns. Off-road capability, born for the trails. What makes the XR350R special is its legendary off-road DNA. A suspension. Honda equips the bike with 43mm Showa inverted forks at the front and a ProLink monoshock at the rear. With over 280mm of travel, it soaks up rocks, roots, and whoops with ease. Ground clearance. At 310mm, the XR350R can conquer almost any obstacle, making it one of the most capable trail bikes in its segment. Tires and wheels. It runs on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, wrapped in dual-purpose knobby tires that strike a balance between grip on asphalt and traction on dirt. Brakes. A dual-disc braking system with switchable ABS ensures safety on the road while allowing maximum control off road. Whether it's desert dunes, forest trails, or mountain climbs, the XR350R is engineered to thrive. Technology and features. Smart adventure. Honda has modernized the XR350R with a host of new-age features that riders will love. Digital instrument cluster. A fully digital LCD display shows speed, revs, trip meter, gear position, fuel range, and even a compass for navigation. Riding modes. Riders can select between street, off-road, and eco modes, adjusting throttle response and ABS settings. Connectivity. Bluetooth-enabled instrumentation allows smart